Hello guys! Kumusta kayo? Here I am again and I can't wait to show you this new dish. Ito lang naman ang putahe na hindi ka lang mapapasayaw sa sarap. Makakalimutan mo, nag-diet ka nga pala. Hindi ko na patatagalin. Ito ay ang chicken curry with fried potato. O ano, napalingon kayo pagkarinig nyo sa fried potato, no? Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa sa mahilig sa fried potato. Alam ko hindi na kayo makapag-intay, kaya simulan na natin ang pagluluto. Ito ang mga ingredients na ating kailangan. Chicken legs, oil, onion, garlic, bell pepper, fresh chopped tomato, cumin, salt, black ground pepper, turmeric, potato, and of course, a cup of water. Una muna natin gawin is i-fry ang ating potato. Season with just a bit of salt and pepper. After frying, just set it aside on top of a paper towel. Next step is put 3 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan. Then ilagay na natin ang ating chopped onion and minced garlic. Haluin lang, then ilagay na natin ang ating chopped bell pepper and our chopped fresh tomato. Halu-haluin lang ulit, then ilagay na natin ang ating chicken legs and add 1 cup of water. We're going to simmer our chicken for about 15 minutes, still tender in a medium fire. But before that, let's not forget to put the other ingredients that will make this dish into Chef Gordon Ramsay approved. How I wish! Charot lang! Moving on, let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin, salt, and ground black pepper at haluing mabuti. And of course, this cannot be called chicken curry without turmeric to give its unique taste and its vibrant yellow color. Habang iniintay natin na maluto ito, alam niyo ba mga ka-teknik na both cumin and turmeric has been used for thousands of years, not only as a spice but also as medical herb. Cumin alone is proved to help stress, diabetes, weight loss, IBS, and cholesterol. While turmeric is considered the most effective nutritional supplement in existence, it has a powerful anti-inflammatory effects and it's a very strong antioxidant. It also scientifically proven to prevent heart disease and Alzheimer and cancer. O diba, hindi lang pala napakasarap ng potahin natin ngayon, napakarami palang health benefits din. That's why it is a must to put these 2 spices on our dish. Don't forget that. This is really smells so good na. Nakakagutom. And now, for the finale, our fried potato. Ilagay na natin. Halu-haluin lang mabuti para makumpleto ang lasa ng ating dish. Luto na mga ka-teknik, i-plate na natin. Ayan, ready na talaga ang aking rice. Ilagay na natin. I can't wait to taste it. So yummy! So what are you waiting for? Try nyo na and tell me how it goes for you. Comment below, share your story. Until next time, don't forget to like, share our videos, mag-subscribe at i-on ang notification bell para kayo ay ma-update sa ating next menu. Bye for now! See you soon!